Hello everyone, so a couple weeks ago you might remember I announced that I was working on a project to help you sell and promote your music. Well, finally the first version is complete and you can sign up for it today and start selling and promoting your music. And it's really simple, but the reason why it came about is that I've been talking to composers around the world and literally everyone seems to have roughly these same exact problems. Like, first of all, no one buys their music, or maybe someone buys their music, very few people buy their music. They have a hard time making money off their music. Part of that's just because few people listen to their music. It's really hard to get noticed. There is a lot of noise out there, and not everyone has the tool set to find people that actually like listening to the music, or ensembles that play the music you're writing for. And on top of that, like when you finally do sell your music and someone actually does buy it, most publishers will take a huge portion of the profits. Like, I don't understand why some publishers will take 50% or more of the sales for your music that you've spent tens, if not hundreds, or if not thousands of hours writing this one piece of music, and they just have a digital automated process. Why are they taking more money out of it than you? Why do they get paid more? I don't understand. Which, all of these together can make you feel really frustrated. It can make you feel undervalued and disrespected as both a composer and as a human being. And in short, that's just wrong. If you write good music, you deserve to be recognized. It's as simple as that. And so that's why I created Parts & Score, which is the first online platform that actually helps you not only sell your music, but also promote your music, and really gives a much fairer time to composers, because it's made by me, who's also a composer who cares about other composers. Just to give you an idea of roughly what the interface for buying music looks like, this is what it is. You can go over here, like this is one of my pieces that I put up here. You can come over here, there's a video, you can add to cart, and it's really simple, and it gives you recommended suggestions, which I don't know why not all sites have this. And these are all recommended suggestions compared to whatever piece they're looking at, so they're more likely to even find your music on this website. But of course, what does it actually mean for you? Well, this is the page you're probably going to look at just to see more exactly what it offers for you as a composer. And it's very simple. You just build a fan base, sell your music, and create your career out of it. Try to make this process as simple as possible, and we're going to make it as effective as possible. And the more people that sign up, and the more data I have on how people buy music, the more I can help you actually get noticed and sell your music. It's as simple as that. Yada yada yada, that's basically what I just said. Here's really boiled down everything I do, said as simply as I possibly can. So you get to help build a fan base through Parts & Score. Again, it's really simple. So we help promote your music on YouTube if you decide to do that, which means that we will optimize your tags, optimize the description, optimize the title, optimize literally everything. That way more people can find your music on YouTube. That's time that you would otherwise have to spend. And not only that, every time your music gets uploaded to our YouTube channel, your music instantly gets pushed out to our entire subscriber base, which right now is small, but it's growing. And in a couple months, it should easily be a couple thousand people, if not more, that you can instantly have access to listen to your music. And one of the other ways we currently help people find your music is through targeted emails. So I'm just going to give you a brief rundown of one of the many types of targeted emails we put out. And keep in mind, these are only two of the largest things that we're using to help build your fan base. So let's say you have a person named Alice, and Alice has a string quartet that is being sold on Parts & Score. Now there's this string quartet group called Amazing Strings that decides to buy Alice's string quartet. Well, that gives Parts & Score data about Amazing Strings that they probably like buying string quartets, which actually helps you, Bob, who also has a string quartet. But Amazing Strings doesn't know about your string quartet. So what we do as Parts & Score is we send an email to Amazing Strings about your string quartet, advertising it for you. That way they are more likely to buy your music. Nice and simple. It's just an easy way of helping promote your music automatically, and it also lets you earn higher commissions. Like, these are higher payouts. It's some of the highest payouts in the industry, and for 99% of you, it's going to be the highest possible payout option. Because at the end of the day, it's not fair that most publishers take like 50% of the profits on your music that you spend writing. And last thing is you get paid instantly. So why is this such a big deal? Well, for most places, let's say someone buys your music that day. You get paid either at the end of the month, sometimes it's the 15th of the next month, sometimes it's the last day of the next month, and other times it's 3 full months later. That's how it works for pretty much every other self-publishing option out there, where with Parts & Score, we let you get paid instantly, which means that you don't have to wait around for your hard-earned money. For a full 3 months, you get instant access. It's really nice, really simple to set up. It only takes like 5 minutes, and then you never have to worry about it ever again. And again, these are just 3 of the many things that we do to help you get noticed and actually be respected as a composer, rather than have this large faceless company that really sucks as much as they possibly can out of you, the composer. That's just not right, that's just not fair, that's the entire purpose of this website. So how do you sign up for this? It's actually really simple. First, you just sign up, you go to partsandscore.com, then you just upload your music. It's as simple as that. It takes like 5 minutes to upload a new piece. And then you sell your music, and we help, of course, promote your music so that way you're more likely to sell it. And finally, when you sell your music, you get the recognition you deserve. It's really that simple, and as time goes on, we're going to make the process even simpler and easier for you and even more effective. And again, people are already liking this. This is just one of several composers that have already signed up during the testing phase, and they really like Parts and Score so far, so I think you'll enjoy it too. So again, all you have to do is just sign up, upload your music, sell your music, and then you can be recognized, and you can actually get your music played, and you get paid properly, and all this fun stuff. If you want to find out even more about the many features that are built into Parts and Score automatically, you can go to the Seagull Features page, and this is like the buying options, yada yada yada. And look at this. In terms of promotion and building a fan base, it's basically Parts and Score, Parts and Score, Parts and Score, Parts and Score, and no one else does what we do. It's as simple as that. If you're on any other platform, Parts and Score is by far your best option. We've had people switch over from S&P Press. We've had people switch over from self-publishing music. And we've already had people that started publishing their music for the first time on Parts and Score because it was just so easy. And the best of all, it is completely free for you as a composer. Why did I do it this way? It's really simple. Your success is my success. The entire system is set up that way. If you don't succeed with Parts and Score, I don't succeed with Parts and Score either. And as more people adopt Parts and Score, it's going to be getting easier, better, and more effective to help you sell and promote your music. So again, yeah, if you want to check out the website, go to partsandscore.com. I'm also going to have a link in the description and in the comments for you to make it as easy as possible. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments and I will make sure to answer them. And as always, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button so I know you want more content just like this. And each week I post new videos on how to use Finale to its fullest. So if you don't want to miss out on any of those, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that way you get notified as soon as a new video comes out.